With Evernote, you can create, host, and share audio test podcasts to help students who need someone to read tests out loud. Evernote can be used to create audio files for test questions, sync files seamlessly through Wi-Fi, and be installed on multiple devices. Learn strategies Ross Local Schools use to organize Evernote notebooks and files, tricks to keep shared information private, and prevent students from altering tests. This demonstration uses Mac computers and iPads, however, other devices can be used as well with slightly different directions. To get started, download Evernote software on each student and teacher device you will be using it with. You will need to create a teacher account and one generic student account that will be used to log into all student devices. This is a great option for schools that share devices, but can also be used in a 1-to-1 ratio. Once the software is installed, it is time to create your accounts. You will need 2 accounts, one for the teacher and one for the students to share. If multiple teachers will be using the same devices with the students, have each teacher create his or her own teacher account as well. The student account you create will be generic. You will use the same student account to log into each device that will be used by the students. Once you have created both accounts, log into the student account on the mobile devices or other computers you plan to use with the students. Next, log into the teacher account on the device you plan to create the tests on. This will be easier from a computer. Once you are logged into your teacher account, create a new notebook for the test you want to record. The name of the notebook should reflect the name of the test. If multiple teachers will be sharing tests with the same student account, you will want to come up with a naming convention for your building. Once the notebook is created, select it from the list on the left. To record a question, click the Audio Note button on the toolbar. Name the audio note with a question number. Using 001, 002, and so on will keep your questions in numerical order once they have all been recorded. Press the Record button. Question number 1. Where does a whale live? A. Forest. B. Ocean. C. Mountain. Click the red Save button to end the recording, then close the Audio Note window. To record another question, click the Audio Note button from the toolbar again, name the note, then click Record. Once questions are recorded and saved, they show up in the Notes list. To put the questions in order, sort the notes by title. Once you have all of the questions recorded, share the notebook with the student account. Click the Shared tab on the left. Click Start Sharing for the test notebook. Click Share with Individuals. Type the email address you used for the generic student account. Make sure the View This Notebook option is selected and click Invite. An email invitation will be sent to the student account address for verification. You will need to accept the invitation from the student email address. Evernote automatically syncs content through Wi-Fi, however you can always manually sync content as well by clicking the Sync button from the toolbar. You also might need to click the Sync button from the student Evernote account to see the shared content immediately. Now you are ready to let your students take a test. Open Evernote. The first time you open the application, you will need to sort the files by title. Click on All Notes, View Options, then Title. Next, click on the Shared tab and select the test notebook. Start with question number 1.
Number 1. Fill in the chart below with 2 examples of each service the government provides to the community.
From here, you can listen to, skip to, and replay any question. You can always stop sharing a test notebook from your teacher account to block access after students have finished the test. Visit the link for detailed handouts to help you get started creating audio tests with Evernote.